Thank you, viewers. Thank you, my people. Thank you for stopping by. In today's math class, we shall be discussing Olympiad Maths Question. We are given if 147 raised to the power x is equal to 189, then we should find the value of x7 raised to the power 1 minus 2x all over 3 into the bracket open x minus 3 bracket close. Let us dive in straight away. Watch the video to the end and you will learn something. God bless you. So we begin with the first equation where we are given 147 raised to the power x equal to 189. I want you to see that 147 is the same thing as 49 times 3. Okay? That means I can write 49 times 3, everything raised to the power x equal to 189 is the same thing as 7 times 27, okay? Because 7 times 7 is 49 and 7 times 2 is 14 plus 4, which is 18. So I can now write here 7 times 27. That is the first step that I have taken. The second step, 49 is the same thing as 7 raised to the power 2. So I will come here and write 7 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3, everything raised to the power x equal to 7 multiplied 27 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 3. So I will represent it as 3 raised to the power 3. That is the second step we have taken. Then, looking at this, I will apply the power law of indices where we multiply the exponents. That means that I shall be having 7 raised to the power 2 times x will give me 7 raised to the power 2x, and then also 3 raised to the power 1 times x will give me 3 raised to the power x equal to 7 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3. Now, I have 7 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 3 raised to the power x by the left hand side, and I also have 7 raised to the power 1, of course, then multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3 by the right hand side. I want to factor it such that 7 will be by one side and 3 will be to the other side. And to achieve that, I will divide both sides by, that is 7 raised to the power 2x times 3 raised to the power x divided by 7 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 3. Okay, so I will divide both sides by 7 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3 in order to factor 7 to one side and 3 to the other side. So by the right hand side, I will have 7 raised to the power 1 times 3 raised to the power 3 divided by 7 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3. So if you have 4 equal to maybe 8, or x minus 4 equal to 8, when you come to this place and say plus 1, you also come to the right hand side and say plus 1. You have not changed the question. So I'm dividing both sides with what you have at the denominator. Therefore, the question is still intact. Going forward, what I will now have, see with me, that 7 raised to the power 2x at the denominator will cancel 7 raised to the power x, 2x at the numerator. And that will leave me with the 7, 3 raised to the power x all over 3 raised to the power 3 by the left hand side. And also by the right hand side, you see also that 3 raised to the power 3 at the denominator will cancel out with 3 raised to the power 3 at the numerator, leaving me by the right hand side 7 raised to the power 1 all over 7 raised to the power 2x. You can now see I have factored 3 to one side and then 7 to the other side. I can now apply the division law of indices, and from the left I will have 3 raised to the power x minus 3 equal to 7 raised to the power 1 minus 2x. Alright, beautiful. Now, what I will do, I want to remove this x minus 3 from the left hand side, and to do that I will divide both sides by 1 all over x minus 3. So that is going to give me 3 raised to the power x minus 3, then divided by 1 or multiplied by 1 all over x minus 3. So I will do the same thing to the right hand side, and that will give me 7 raised to the power 1 minus 2x, then multiplied by 1 all over x minus 3. Alright? So what I am doing now, I am multiplying by 1 all over x minus 3 or dividing by just x minus 3. And when I do that, you see from the left that x minus 3 will cancel x minus 3, leaving me with just 3 by the left hand side. And from the right hand side, I will have 7 raised to the power 1 minus 2x all over x minus 3. Now, if you look very well at the question we are given, you will notice that we have already gotten 1 minus 2x at the numerator and also x minus 3 at the denominator. What is now left is just 3 at the denominator. And to do that, we go to the right hand side and multiply it with the power 1 over 3 and also do the same thing by the right hand side. And that means we shall be having 3 raised to the power 1 over 3 equal to 7 raised to the power 1 minus 2x all over x minus 3, everything multiplied by 1 over 3. So I have done it both sides, the right hand side and the left hand side. And that means I shall now be having 3 raised to the power 1 over 3 is the same thing as cube root of 3. While from the right hand side, what I will now have is 7 raised to the power 1 minus 2x all over 3 into x minus 3. If you look at it now, you see that we have gotten exactly what we are asked to find. We can now conclude that 7 raised to the power 1 minus 2x all over 3 into x minus 3 is equal to what we got here. Look at this, it's exactly this. Therefore, it is equal to cube root of 3 or 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please subscribe if this is your first time of stopping by and watch the video over and over again so that you will understand what we have done. God bless you.
Na mbụ agwara m mmadụ si